Welcome to my video on the TI plus CE calculator. What I want to do is get started with complex numbers. And this is to basically show you how to use your TI-84 when you're dealing with complex numbers. Before we get into that, I want to do a little bit of background. Complex numbers arose a couple centuries ago trying to solve, this would be one example, trying to solve a quadratic equation here, and had no real solution. So they had to come up with this idea of this imaginary unit called I. And in electrical engineering, you'll see that as a J typically, so it doesn't get confused with current. So keep that in mind if you're dealing with electrical engineering problems, you're going to see a J. That's the square root of -1. And we can write these imaginary numbers in the form real plus A plus BI, where A is the real component and B is the imaginary component. And I've got videos on complex numbers to give you a little more detail. This is kind of just a quick summary, just to make sure we're all on the same page here. So first thing I want to do is let's turn on our calculator. Now you can see it comes up in this mode called real. That's a real number. What we need to do is we need to change the mode function, hit mode, and arrow down to, it's on real right now. Now we want to go to A plus BI, this form right here, the rectangular form of complex numbers. We're going to talk about polar later. And then we hit second mode. So now this real turned to A plus BI. So that's the kind of numbers it wants to see now. So let's do an example. Let's do an addition. And we're going to take the example of 3 plus 4i plus t 2 minus 5i. So those are complex numbers. Now when we add them, we just add the individual components, the real and the imaginary components add together. But let's do it in the calculator. So first of all, we're in the A plus BI, we're in the complex mode. So let's do 3 plus 4. Now, if we want to find the I, it's right down here at the bottom. Second I, close the parent, and then we want to do a plus 2 minus 5, second I, close the parent, hit enter, and that is going to be equal to 5 minus I. So there's our answer. And if we add these together, that's 5, and 4 minus 1 is minus I. So that makes sense. Now let's do a subtraction. Basically same thing as addition, except you're using a minus sign here. So we want to do the example of 5 plus 2i minus 7 minus 6i. So let's see what that does. Now let's clear. In our first number, 5 plus 2, second I, subtract. In our second number, 7 minus 6, second I, close the parent, hit enter. Okay, we're going to get minus 2 plus 8i. So there's our answer. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2, and then 2i minus 6i is, and that's a minus, so it's minus 8i, so that checks. Now let's do a multiplication. What we want to do is we want to multiply 4 plus 3i times the quantity 2 minus I. Now here we just basically do the FOIL method of first, outer, inner, and last to do the, I'll just do this real quick. So first is 8, the outer is minus 4i, the inner is plus 6i, and then the last, these two right here, is going to be minus 3i squared. I squared goes to 1, minus 1 because you get rid of the square root function there. So let's see, adding the real components, see that's 8, and that is minus, that's plus 2i. And then this is a minus 1 plus, so that's a plus 3. So we're going to get 11 plus 2i. That should be our answer. Now let's do it in the calculator. Let's see, let's clear everything again. In our first number, we've got 4 plus 3 second I, close the parent, times 2 minus second I, close that parent, hit enter, 11 plus 2i. So there's our answer. So that checked. All right, well, this is kind of a quick introduction to complex numbers using your TI-84. I'm planning more videos to kind of go into more detail, and I want to thank you for watching.